Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making mutton paya in Instapot. In a instant pot, take 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 big sliced onion, 4 to 5 chopped garlic and 5 green chilies. And take mutton paya washed, and it's about 3 pounds, and add some mint as well and mix it. And here I got 1 packet of shan masala. It's paya. Mix well and add chopped cilantro in it. Add 4 glasses of water and mix it. Cover the lid and pressure cook about 2 hours. It's gonna cook for 2 hours. Here my pie is ready and it's already soft. So here I'm gonna take a different pot. In a separate pot, I'll take 3 tablespoons of oil, half sliced onion, and it should be a little brown, and then add 4 to 5 green chilies and mix well until you see the brown onion, and then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And mix it well. And then you can pour the paya that you made in instant pot. Just pour everything and then mix it well so that you will not have any lumps in it. Here you see my paya is ready, so I'm gonna just garnish with some cilantro on top, and here it is ready to serve. This paya is good with naan or pita bread. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like, and see you in the next video. Thank you.